Since the invention of the automobile, our flagship, the S-Class, has driven our pioneering spirit and ambition to new levels, again and again. As a result, the S-Class has defined automotive standards for many decades. To explain what once again makes the new S-Class one of a kind, we want to show you what really matters to us and to our customers.
What matters to our customers are beautiful design and extraordinary automobiles. The S-Class has always been an automotive icon, and the new S-Class delivers on our promise of luxury like none other. It all starts with the appearance of the exterior. The side view, with its unique Mercedes sedan proportion, is designed as its best. It has a cab backward layout, a long wheelbase, a long hood, and a strong C-pillar. The surfacing of the body is beautifully modeled and shows a generous volume. A grille with prestige on the prominent star on the hood makes the car's presence known. The grille is also a composition of high-tech. Diverse sensors as well as radar and laser are well visibly positioned within it. Day and night, this 3-dot light signature makes the S-Class instantly recognizable. The rear of the car leans forward and gives a dynamic push to the entire body. The rear is highlighted by sharp and triangular taillight graphics with high-tech inside. For the first time in 3 generations, we designed horizontal taillights, a truly extraordinary approach for an S-Class. Our aesthetic soul of luxury is visible in every Mercedes. This is our distinctive design language of sensual purity. This applies also to the interior. Entering the car, we invite our customers into a new world of beauty with extraordinary architecture and iconic details. The slim and elegant touchscreen, which seems to float freely above the center console. Its display settings range from dynamic to calming, understated, because minimalism is the true luxury of our time. Of course, an experience for all senses is still an important part of the S-Class luxury promise. A yacht-inspired design concept stages high-quality materials. Within the Mercedes design department, we are proud to present the best S-Class ever.
Gordon just told us a lot about beauty and luxury, and he's absolutely right. It's time now to experience both in motion. Let's start up front. That's a gentle welcome. As soon as I close the door, this is S-Class luxury. It's instant relaxation, almost like coming home. The new S-Class recognizes you immediately and arranges everything to your liking. So what is it like to drive an S-Class? Take these benchmark seats. They are adjusted by up to 18 individual motors in one seat alone. There is no way to not find the perfect position. And there's the 4D sound built into the seat as well. No one else out there has that. But that's not the point. It's about how all of these signature details add up to a feeling of being in a safe space. That priceless feeling of being taken good care of.
Safety has long been one of our fundamental values. At the core of every Mercedes-Benz are technologies that we enhance and merge to improve our holistic safety concepts. As a result, the new S-Class is the embodiment of integrated safety, with reflexes that remind us of animals. For example, in the event of a side crash, various safety systems work together to lift the whole body in the blink of an eye to protect the passengers. And the new S-Class will offer an airbag for backseat passengers. With this innovation, we are once again setting new standards in safety in the industry. The best technologies are the ones that our customers don't even notice, but can simply enjoy while driving. With the new S-Class, we are introducing the latest generation of our driver assistance systems. We offer features like our new augmented reality head-up display. It makes driving easier and safer, hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. And I personally love the amazing graphics. Our customers will love that a significant part of these intelligent assistance systems will come standard with the new S-Class. This is our journey towards autonomous driving. And we are getting close. With the new S-Class Level 3, conditional automated driving is near. Our plan is to introduce our Drive Pilot in Germany in the second half of 2021. But there's more. The S-Class is pre-equipped and ready for the world's first Level 4 system. No driver needed. The intelligent park pilot in combination with the Mercedes Me service makes driverless parking in public garages possible. However, this depends on infrastructure and local legislation, so it might still take some time for customers to be able to enjoy this technology. But the S-Class was always ahead of its time. One more thing I really love about this car. It's big and it's agile. This is thanks to our new rear axle steering, which can turn the rear wheels in both directions up to an angle of 10 degrees. Not only does it reduce the car's turning radius by almost 2 meters, making it more maneuverable in tight spots, it also leads to greater stability while on the highway. This is technology at its best. Comfortable, supportive, and safe. And this is what matters to us. Luxury through human-centered innovation.
Hey guys, glad you could join me today for riding this incredible machine. You are gonna love it. As a true car enthusiast, I'm super excited to experience the new S-Class. This car can do things no ordinary cars can. The technology in this car is remarkable. For instance, it immediately recognizes me and sets up all my preferences in the vehicle. The seat position, the mirror, the lighting, the infotainment settings, and more. It even understands my gaze and my gestures and automatically rolls down the sunblind when I'm backing out. In the new S-Class, high-tech and high luxury really come together. I love cars and I love technology. In fact, my first nice car was a Mercedes S500. My second nice car was a Mercedes SL500. So you could imagine how excited I was when Mercedes invited NVIDIA to help build the computers for their next generation cars. So it's been fantastic working with their engineers. And look at all the technologies that's packed into this car. There's more computing power packed into this car than any car ever. 3 powerful computer chips with NVIDIA GPUs.
I've been a gamer since I was a kid, so I still appreciate visually stunning graphics.
My cluster is 3D. You can literally look right through the display. And this OLED display is like print. It's like moving print. It's really quite amazing. The car can sense you, see you. So when you gesture, you're like Tony Stark. You just wave in the sky and you can control things. This car has 30 million lines of code. It's written by hundreds of engineers. The amazing thing is that these engineers are practically in your garage and they're constantly working on the software, improving it, enhancing it, creating more features, and we'll update it over the air. So your car gets better and better over time. It could hear you so you can speak to it, uses state-of-the-art natural language understanding technology, understands 27 different languages. All of the processing is done in the car, so it can be interactive. Hey Mercedes, I've had a long day. I'm ready to relax.
Maybe the well-being program will help you. I will turn it on.
And I'm hungry.
Starting route guidance to Sawa Sushi.
And please call Ola. I need to let him know how awesome you are.
Okay, I am calling Ola Kalanias.
Thanks, Mercedes.
When designing a Mercedes, we always focus on the desires of our customers. And this applies especially to the S-Class. We ask ourselves, what more can we offer? And our answer is a holistic luxury experience. Luxury to us means, among other things, a state of great comfort. That's exactly what you can experience in the new S-Class, a feeling of ease and security. Our energizing features and programs allow you to get out of the car more relaxed than you enter it. They attend you with up to 10 different massages, air filtration and ionization, as well as fragrancing. Almost every wish is at your fingertip and tailored to you. So no matter where you sit, the car instantly knows all your preferences. Our services take care of our customers far beyond the vehicle.